अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्मार्ट स्टडी विद खलील रहमान। अॼु जी असांजी टॉपिक आहे टाउन ऑफिसर जो जेको अॼु को पेपर हुयो। अॼु असां उहो हल कंदासीं। पेपर टोटल जेको आहे 100 मार्क्स जो हुयो। उन में टोटल 50 MCQs हुया ऐं हर MCQ से जेको आहे 0.5 मार्क्स जेको आहे नेगेटिव मार्क्स हुयूं ऐं हिकु MCQ से टोटल 2 मार्क्स हुयूं। पेपर बिल्कुलु जेको आहे मीडियम हुयो, न एॾो ॾुखियो हुयो न एॾो आसान हुयो। त असां तव्हांखे स्टार्ट कराईंदासीं नंबर 1 MCQs खां। चवे पियो जेको एंटीनो गुटेरेस इज़ द डे सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस। डी इज़ द राइट आंसर 9th। नेम द थर्ड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान। राइट आंसर मोहम्मद अली बोगड़ा। बी ऑप्शन इज़ राइट आंसर। व्हाट इज़ द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर टू GDP ऑफ पाकिस्तान। 23% इज़ द राइट आंसर। हु विल होस्ट द 2026 फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप। कैनेडा, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, अमेरिका एंड Mexico. B is the right answer. 5 number MCQs. Name the hardest part of human body is enamel of teeth. B is the right answer. MCQs number 6. Study of the development of human race is known as anthropology. A is the right answer. What is the crystal bodies? Ceres, Plas, Juno and Vesta. A is the right answer. C is the right answer. Asteroids. How much percentage of world population lives in Asia? 57%. A is the right answer. What was the Maulana Ubaidullah Sindhi name before the converted Islam? Is Bhuta Singh Upal. MCQs number 10. Which number system uses only the digit 0 and 1? Is a binary system. B is the right answer. MCQs number 11. Full name of the Hazrat Shahbaz Qalandar was Hazrat Osman Marwandi. B is the right answer. MCQs number 12. What percentage of foreign remittance comes from Saudi Arabia and the Gulf? Is a 46. C is the right answer. Third coal deposit are known as to be the 4th largest deposit in the world. How is the Pakistan economy rated is currently developing? C is the right answer. What is meant by VTI is a vocational training institute? D is the right answer. MCQs number 16. What does a thermostat do? D option is the right answer. Regulate temperature. Right answer. 17 number MCQs. Which country is European nowhere higher than 570 feet above the sea level? Is the Monaco. C is the right answer. What is the primary hindrance in the export faced by Pakistan? D is the lack of investment. MCQs number 19. What is the common name for the condition myopia? Is A is the right answer. Short-sightedness. MCQs number 20. While going toward the center of earth, the weight of body shall be increased. A is the right answer. 21 MCQs. Which is the greenhouse gas among the following? All of these are right answer. MCQs number 22. Which one is not a vestigial organ of the human being? Appendix, coccus, and eyelids, and all of these. Eyelids is the right answer. C is the right answer. 23 MCQs. Work of the pituitary glands in human body is control several other hormone glands. A is the right answer. 24 MCQs. During the winter and cold countries, dash is the mix to melt the ice on the icy roads. A is the right answer. Salt. 25 MCQs. The lifespan of the white blood cells is 5 to 21 days. D is the right answer. जेके रेड ब्लड सेल्स हूंदा आहिनि उनमें 120 डेज़ हूंदा आहिनि ऐं वाइट ब्लड सेल्स जेको हमेशह 5 खां जेको 21 ॾींहुं हूंदो आहे. 26 MCQs. Who bought the Bitcoin cryptocurrency for the $1.5 billion worth? Tesla. A is the right answer. Dash become the first country in the world to start administering the citizens with a fully trialed and tested COVID-19 vaccine. USA is the right answer. A. The World Wide Web was invented by Time Berners-Lee. A is the right answer. Which country is also called the land of midnight sun? Is Norway. B is the right answer. Jeju Islands UNESCO World Heritage Site is located in Jeju Islands UNESCO World Heritage Site located in South Korea. D is the right answer. The name Lebanon Parliament is Majlis-e-Nawab. A is the right answer. The War of Independence of America was fought against Britain. A is the right answer. G15 is the economic group of developed countries. B is the right answer. Cathay Pacific is the airline of Hong Kong. B is the right answer. Which country is called the buffer state of Asia? Is Afghanistan. A is the right answer. Golan Heights belongs to Israel. C is the right answer. Oldest monarchy of the world is Japan. B is the right answer. Which is the greatest archipelago on the globe? Archipelago is Indonesia. Is the archipelago on the earth. MCQs number 39. Interpol has its headquarters at Lyon, France. D is the right answer. The Indus Valley civilizations furnished during the 300,000 to 1500 BC. B